Hello everyone. Welcome to ESurvey CAD Contour module. The Contour module in ESurvey CAD is a powerful tool designed to help you create and manage contour data efficiently. But it offers much more than just contour creation. With this module, you can create contour maps, annotate contours, generate grading grids, create grid elevations, and add grid annotations with ease. You can also generate profile drawings by simply selecting an alignment line on a contour map. Need surface analysis? The contour module allows you to calculate area and volume based on contour surfaces, helping you make informed decisions for your projects. Additionally, you can export grid-level data directly to Excel for further analysis and reporting. The module also supports advanced features such as contour generation using break lines and multiple boundaries, allowing you to create more accurate surface models. To help you understand these capabilities in detail, this tutorial series includes 11 topics: creating contours within a CAD package, drawing sections of contour surfaces, annotating contours, interpolating values within contour surfaces, revising contour maps, generating contours in the interface, drawing custom contours, creating contour-based area and volume reports, exporting grid levels from contour maps, generating contours with multiple boundaries and break lines, and creating 3D surfaces from contour data. In the next video, you will learn how to create contours within a CAD package. If you are working in the infrastructure industry, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We regularly add informative videos about infrastructure design and engineering solutions. Road InfraSuite and Water InfraSuite are very popular software solutions for infrastructure engineering. You can also book a free demonstration of the software by visiting www.esurveying.net. You may reach us through email at info@esurveying.net. You can call us on 944-959-9709. Thank you for watching this video.